Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to a new restaurant. I'm going there for the first time, so I don't really know if it's nice, but we're gonna see how it is. Hopefully there's gonna be a lot of people there to give a very nice vibe, you know. So yeah, I hope it's gonna be a good day. See you guys there.
The only guy who goes to the swimming pool every weekend but never swims. And I'm sure the only person who goes to every weekend never swims.
Funny enough, I never knew this place. Yeah, it's been just around the corner. 3 years. This is just my neighborhood. I never found it, unfortunately. Someone's complaining about my video. Hey, yo, Paris! Here's the problem. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're about to try some food. Nothing special, just the so-called fancy.
Now the job like no bro.
Hey guys, what the fuck is this? Bro, I don't know what this is, but it looks like Christmas decorations. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call the Gizo swing. Woo! Bro, my camera is messed up. Vlog. I said before you're to be blamed. One hand. I'm doing this one-handed. Easy peasy. Ladies and gentlemen, it turns out to be not a bad trip after all. The thing is, we have been waiting for the waitress for about an hour, and she was supposed to bring our meal by now. She's not back. If we find out she's sleeping, I'm not gonna be surprised, because she's actually the only person working here right now. Why? This is a huge place. There's got to be many workers, but she's the only one. So if she's taking a nap, I don't mind it. It's been a long day. She's been the only one working here, so she must be really tired. I might as well just go home without paying for anything. Food's ready. No, the food is here. Da, 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 da. Oh my god.
Fake life. Fake life.
Just fake life. Okay, so today we are going to be eating this. We have fried plantains, chicken, and tomato sauce. Also, we've got some chili sauce. Spicy. And some juice. Let's dig in. Nothing amazing. The work is done. I won.
Okay, one put up everything. Small 6K now, one put up everything.
Fair enough. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey has come to an end. The food is done and everybody's gone. Well, the phone in the car is still the same at daytime, at bright daytime. Thank you for joining me in this beautiful journey. Have a great day.